very good morning. In my experience of doing balance scorecard, we have one of the biggest difficulty we have is in terms of understanding the word KPI. Many people have different definition for it. K means key areas of focus. Performance means the areas or the indicators, the factors you want to consider in the performance. What are the factors you want to consider in the performance? And then you have the indicators, or what we call as the metrics of measure. So once again, the word key means focus areas. Performance means factors you like to measure. For example, you want to measure quality. You want to measure response time. You want to measure availability. You want to measure volume. You want to measure risk framework. You want to measure compliance. These are factors. And each factor will have the right indicators to be converted into what we call as metrics, measurement, quantifiable measures. And that's what we call KPI, key performance indicators.